properties we'll talk about, but first you since asked about the area of the triangle, using area of the triangle using determinants. So how do we explain that? So what we have learned in your earlier classes, maybe in 10th standard, was that if you've got a triangle like this, which is having coordinates like x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and if you want to know the area of this triangle, we had learned that this will be actually equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. So this is a little harder to remember. Some people could remember, but not many. So what is easier to remember is this, that if you can write it as like half, and then you can write this as x1, x2, x3, and this y1, y2, y3, and this as 1, 1, 1. This will be actually equivalent to that. If you expand it, this is what you'll be getting. Like if you can do that, so just now we've learned, right? That how do you expand the determinant? So then you can do this x1 and y2 minus y3. Then you can do minus y1. Minus y1 would be x2 minus x3. And then plus 1. That will be x2 y3 minus x3 y2. Now you got to rearrange this. So first part is fine, x1 y2 minus y3. But the other parts are not correct. So y1 x2 plus y1 x3 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 is that. So what you would do, you will be putting these two together. Okay, so this will become half x1 y2 minus y3. Here you can take x2 common, then this y3 minus y1. Here you take x3 common, and this will become y1 minus y2. As equation is same, right? So now, it's easier to remember this way. This is the area of triangle, which we get half x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Then you can find the area of the triangle. So only thing is to remember is that this area of the triangle is always positive. Even if it is coming negative, you got to make it positive. So you got to put a absolute value. This is always positive. If you get negative, then you got to make it positive. Then you got to make it positive. The value which you get, meaning that, for example, after calculating delta, you found it to be maybe minus 5. Then you will not say that the area of the triangle is minus 5, but you will say that the area of triangle is 5. Absolute value of it. Okay. You can put this absolute value as well here. Here's what is the absolute value.